Hello dear students, welcome on our channel, my MGGS. Today I am going to tell you about the syllabus which has been removed. Some of the chapters have been removed and some parts of the chapters have been removed. You see, you have 3 books in social science. Part first is our past, second part, and part second is our environment, and part third is social and political life. So first, from this book, second chapter, and from page number 25. Okay, this part has been removed from this chapter, the administration of the empire, and this is also removed, this, so you need not to study this part of this chapter. Next, chapter number 3rd, this is chapter number 3rd, the Delhi Sultans, and from this open page number 37, and you can see a closer look at administration and consolidation under the Khaljis and Tughlaqs. From here, this part, this also has been removed from your syllabus. And the Sultanate in 15th and 16th century, this part of the chapter has also been removed. Now open chapter 4, the Mughal Empire, and in this chapter open page number 50, Mughal relations with other rulers. This part of the chapter has been removed from your syllabus, and from page number 56, this part has also been removed from this chapter, the Mughal Empire in the 17th century and after. You need not to study these parts. Now from chapter 6, page number 86, open page number 86, this is chapter 6, and from this chapter, new towns and traders, this part, this page number 87, you need not to study it. Now next chapter is chapter number 7, and from this chapter open page number 97, page number 97. From here the Gonds, and page number 98 also has been removed from your syllabus, and page number 99, the Ahoms, this also removed from your syllabus. Okay, till here you need not to study it. Now next chapter, that is 8th chapter, devotional paths of the divine. From this chapter open page number 113. From here, new religious development in North India, this part has been removed from your syllabus, this also, and page number 114 and 115 you need not to study. And next is this, a closer look, Baba Guru Nanak. This part has also been removed from your syllabus, page number 117, 118 and 119, and till here you need not to study this part. And now I have already told you chapter 10 has completely been removed from your syllabus. This is chapter 10 which has been completely removed from your syllabus. Okay, now open your book Social Science, Our Environment, part 2. So in this book you see chapter number 1, 2, 3 and 4 have not been removed, but from chapter 5 some parts have been removed. From chapter 6 also some part have been removed, and chapter 7 some part have have been removed, and chapter 8 and 9 have been completely removed from your syllabus. Now open chapter 5. This is chapter 5, and from this chapter open page number 33. This is page number 33. This part ocean circulation, and from this part this waves completely removed, and from 35 number page completely removed, tides completely removed, and ocean currents completely removed. So means chapter number 5, from page number 33 to 37 you need not to study these parts. Now open next chapter, 6th, and from this chapter open page number 40, and from this forests, this part has been completely removed from your syllabus. This is also, and next complete page number 42. These about forests and grasslands, all these parts have been completely removed from your syllabus. Now open page number 7. Sorry, lesson chapter number 7. And from chapter 7, open page number 5050, and you see this part, roadways completely removed, waterways completely removed, and airways completely removed, and this communication also removed from your syllabus. So you need not to study these parts. Now from chapter number 8 and 9. These are chapter number 8 and 9. These are completely removed from your syllabus. Now open book number 3, Social and Political Life, and from this book all chapters have been removed. Chapter number 1 removed, chapter number 7, chapter number 8, chapter number 9. So these 4 chapters have been completely removed from your syllabus. So okay, I hope now you understand your syllabus very well and prepare yourself for the examination. Thanks for being with me.